A very good day to Madam Sharmila, and this video is about the installation and commands of Linux. We are from Group 13 and the team members of my team is TRACY Liaw, Muhammad HADIF, and SYAKEER AHMAD. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to download Ubuntu and VirtualBox. We're going to talk about how the installation process and all the commands to show the distro, the kernel, and the IDE. So I'm going to start off with the downloading of Ubuntu and VirtualBox. I'm going to search for Ubuntu in my browser and click on the first link. I'm going to click download and the version that I'm going to download, and the official page will help you download the file for me. But since I've already have the Ubuntu downloaded on my device, I'm going to click cancel here. Next, I'm going to download the VirtualBox. So I'm going to search for VirtualBox on my browser, clicking on the first link, then download. Since the operating system in my device is Windows, so I'm going to click Windows host and cancel since I've already downloaded the VirtualBox before. So to find both of my pre-downloaded VirtualBox and Ubuntu, I'm going to click on my download file, and here it is. So now I'm going to start off with the installation of the Linux. So I'm going to click on the installed VirtualBox in my system, and then here we'll see the page of the VirtualBox. I'm going to click new. It'll pop up a window asking me to create virtual machine. So the name, I'm going to be putting Ubuntu 22.04 for the name of the system, and the type is Linux, and the version of the Ubuntu is Ubuntu 64 bits. So I'm going to click next. For the memory size, I'm going to using the default size that is 1024 MB. The hard disk, I'm going to choose to create a virtual hard disk now. The hard disk file type, I'm going to use VDI, which is virtual box disk image. Next, the storage on physical hard disk, I'm going to put dynamically allocated. Next, the file location and size, I won't be changing anything. So create, and here it is, but we can't start it immediately. We'll have to go to setting. I'm gonna click on storage, and here we can see that in the controller of the IDE it's empty, so we have to click on it, click on the disk icon, choose a disk file, and go to the downloaded file and click on the ISO file of the Ubuntu I've downloaded before. Open, and we can see that inside the controller IDE it's written Ubuntu 22.04. So I'm gonna click on OK, and I'll start off now. So once we've reached this page, I'm going to click install Ubuntu. For the keyboard layout, I'm going to put English US and English US, continue. Updates and other software, I'm not going to change anything, continue. The installation type, here it will give us a warning that it will erase the disk and install Ubuntu, but since we are using VirtualBox, so it doesn't really matter, so we're just going to ignore this and install now. So since I'm currently in Kedah, so I'm not going to change anything, so I'm going to press continue. Who are you? So my name, I'm going to put Liaw. The computer's name, I'm also going to change it to Liaw. So the password, I'm giving a 6-digit password, confirming it, and I'm going to press in login automatically, so I don't have to key in my password again every time I'm going to log in. So the installation part will be starting right now, and it will take some time, so we'll speed up the video. I'm gonna skip everything here. And we have finally finished installing our Linux system in our device.
So now I will start off by showing the commands of Linux. To run the commands, we will have to search for the terminal. So the first command will be ls. This command will list out all the files available. The next command will be alias. This command is usually a shortcut for long commands.
Now I will show the commands to display the kernel version of the Linux we are using. The first command is name-r. Here we can see the version is 5.15.0-39-generic. The next command is cat/proc/version. Here we can see the exact same kernel version displayed. Lastly, I will be showing the command to display the current desktop environment we are using. The first command is echo xdg_current_desktop. Here we can see the desktop environment is GNOME. The next command is is/usr/bin/session. It will also display the desktop environment is GNOME.
Thank you so much for watching our demonstrating video.